Wombats are so cute. Their little stubby legs and furry bellies make me want to squeeze them. But did you know that wombats are actually super unique? Here are 5 facts about wombats that you probably didn't know. Number 1, there are 3 different types of wombats. There's the common wombat, the southern hairy-nosed wombat, and the northern hairy-nosed wombat. The common wombat is the largest of the 3 species and can grow up to 3 feet long. The other 2 species are much smaller, with the northern hairy-nosed wombat being the smallest. All 3 species are found in Australia, but the common wombat also has a small population in Tasmania. Number 2, wombats are herbivores. They like to eat grass, leaves, and other plants. Even though they share a name with the carnivorous womble, wombats have never been known to eat meat, and even though they have sharp claws and teeth for digging, they don't use them to hunt prey. Instead, they use them to help them dig burrows. Speaking of which, no, 3 wombats can dig burrows up to 30 feet long. These burrows help protect wombats from predators like dingoes and foxes. The tunnels are also used as toilets. Wombats are very clean animals and they always bury their poop. To find a bathroom, a wombat will use its keen sense of smell to locate an area where other wombats have been digging. They don't want to dig a new hole if they don't have to, so they'll use the same one over and over again. Sometimes these bathroom breaks can be quite the party. Wombats are social creatures and they like to hang out with each other. If there are lots of wombats in an area, they might take turns using the bathroom in their shared burrow. No, 4. Wombats have fingerprints. Their fingerprints are very similar to human fingerprints. Scientists used this fact to fool a machine learning algorithm. They wanted to see if the algorithm could tell the difference between wombat and human fingerprints. At first, the algorithm couldn't tell the difference. It confused the 2. Scientists then added more data to improve the algorithm's accuracy. After that, it was able to tell the difference between the 2. This was great news for the scientists, but not so great news for the wombats. They had to dip their paws into some black ink and roll them across a sheet of paper. This is not something that wombats normally do, so it must have been very confusing for them. No. 5. A group of male wombats will isolate a female wombat from the group in order to mate with her. This is called a mating system. Mating systems are normally associated with primates, not marsupials. The males will isolate the female from the rest of the group in order to control who mates with her. They will also fight other males to keep her all to themselves. This behavior has led to the common misconception that wombats are promiscuous. However, studies have shown that most wombat babies are actually the result of a single father wombat. The mother wombat will mate with multiple males in order to ensure that the strongest, most dominant male's genes are passed on to her offspring. She will then give birth to the baby wombats, also called joeys, and raise them alone. Female wombats don't really play a role in raising the next generation, but we're sure that she's secretly proud of the little rascals. Now you know that wombats are way more interesting than they look. They're super unique and do some pretty crazy things. So the next time you see a wombat, remember these 5 facts and appreciate how special these little guys are. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.